We're going to work on page 229, and that is Unit 4, Lesson 3. Number 1 says, show the partners with fingers, then write the total. So what we try to get kids to do is see the partners and the team numbers on their hands or on their fingers. So even though we don't have enough, we can flash them. And then that's how we think of the partners. So for example, 10 plus 1, friends, would be 10 plus 1. And what is 10 plus 1? So you could also get out your numbers, your blue numbers from your bag of materials. And you also have a page with some squares and some plus signs and equal signs. You could take all of that out if you'd like to look at this using more than just your fingers. So it would be like 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1. And then in our brain, we move this number over and we get what teen number? 11. So then we would write that down. Let's try. So you can do this with your numbers, but for this page, I'm just going to use my fingers. But please, if it's not making sense, use one of your other materials to help you count and build these teen numbers. 10 plus 2. 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 3. So lots of times when we count our groups of 5 or 10, we kind of make our voice sound a little different so that we're paying attention that that's a special group, that's a special partner. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Try the next one on your own. Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you get 15? Try 10 plus 6. Did you get 16? Great job. Let's try the next one, 10 plus 7. Did you get 17? Great job. Try the last two on your own. So pause the video, do these two, and then we'll come back and see what you got. All right, now that you're back, 10 plus 8. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And the last one, 10 plus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. For part 2, we're going to write the numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you need to go back and fix anything or I went too fast, pause the video, finish up section number 2, and then come back for section number 3. we're going to draw a picture to show 10 ones and 2 ones. So 10 ones is really just another way to say a group of 10. So let's make a group of 10. You can make yours going in a long line across. You can make yours going in a long line down. You could make yours look like a 10 frame. It's up to you how you're going to do your group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Once you have your 10, mark it so that we can easily see that that is a group of 10. Maybe you put a box around it. Maybe you put a big circle around it. Depends on how you made your group of 10, but make sure there's 10. And then we need to draw 2 ones, or we could call those 2 extras. So 1, 2. Now I have 10 plus 2. Let's make an equation to go with that. 10 plus 2 equals, so think about your number cards where we move the 2 over to cover up that 0. 10, 11, 12. So we should have 12 altogether. The directions told us to just make a picture, but friends, you are doing so good with all of this. I think that we can also do this equation because you guys are understanding and you are ready for a little bit more of a challenge. On the back here, you're going to do subtraction or takeaway. Takeaway. So subtract the numbers. Use your fingers or draw a picture, or of course you can use objects. So we're going to do the first couple together, and then you're going to go off and finish, and then we'll come back to check. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. How many fingers do I have left? That's right, 1. If you wanted to use objects, let's try objects for the next one. The next one is 4 minus 1. So I need to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need to take away 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go back to fingers. 3 minus 3. So I have 3 plus 3? No. 3 minus 3. So here's my hungry alligator. And he's going to eat 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. How many are left? None. It's a big old 0. Let's try one more together and then pause your video and go and finish the rest of these, and then we'll come back to check. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Take away 0. Oh, sad alligator doesn't get to eat anything. But how many fingers do I have left? 5. All right, so pause the video, finish your equations, your subtraction equations up here, and then come back to check. All right, so you should have gotten 2 minus 1 equals 1. Remember to use your checking finger so that you're following along. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 4 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 3 minus 0 equals 3. And 5 minus 3 equals 2. For part number 5, we're going to choose an equation from up here and draw a picture to show the subtraction. And we can't forget to write the equation so we know which one we're choosing. So let's choose this one right here. 5 minus 2. So let's write that down in the box. 5 minus 2 equals, and we can even put the answer because we already figured that out. But how are we going to draw a picture to show this? How many should we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And how many are we going to take away? It'd be the same as if we did it on our fingers. 5, take away 2. But when we do it on paper, we need to cross out. So I crossed out 2. And now, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, which is what we're showing here with this number. Let's turn it into a story problem. There are 5 apples, and a horse comes by and eats 2 of them. 2 go away in the horse's belly. How many apples are left? 3. 1, 2, 3. You could make up a story problem to go with the equation and tell someone at home. Great job, everybody. Don't forget to take pictures of your work so that I can give you points, and we'll see you later.